This remarkable Sherwood home, built by Renaissance Homes, is nestled against a picturesque backdrop in a quiet cul-de-sac neighborhood. This prime location is close to wineries, excellent schools, shopping, and restaurants. It's built for entertaining with an impressive backyard and a home design that exudes elegance and sophistication throughout. The living room with coffered ceilings features built-ins and a cozy fireplace. It opens to the gourmet kitchen with a granite island, quartz countertops, peaceful views, a complete range of stainless steel appliances, including a gas range with a pot filler, plus a pantry. Step into the backyard oasis with a fabulous 31 by 13-foot saltwater pool designed for entertainment and relaxation. The main level also offers a convenient office space framed with architectural details. Retreat upstairs to the primary suite and wake up to tranquil views. The ensuite bath includes a luxurious soaking tub, dual sink vanity, a walk-in shower, and a spacious walk-in closet. The versatile bonus room can be used as a fifth bedroom or additional living area in this home of more than 2,700 square feet. An extra large bedroom could be easily converted to 2 separate bedrooms. You'll find another bedroom and a guest bath with a shower tub combination. Other features include central air conditioning, and it's plumbed for a central vacuum system. Savor magical evenings gathering by the pool, or make memories by the fire pit, or recharge in the Redwoods outdoor barrel sauna. You'll also find an outdoor shower, artificial turf, and drip system for potted plants. The home also backs to a tree-lined walking path and tennis and pickleball courts. Don't miss this chance to make this exceptional property your own, combining the best of Sherwood living with a host of desirable amenities. Don't miss this chance to make this exceptional property your own, combining the best of Sherwood living with a host of desirable amenities. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.